SOS offers a complete turnkey, dummy-proof strategic wealth creation system for creating your own economic relief to get you through these volatile economic times. And while it's true that the government can't do enough to protect you from the uncertainties of tomorrow, it's also true that you have to ask yourself, what am I doing to protect myself from the uncertainties of tomorrow today? Making money with SOS is easy. You simply activate 1, 2, or 3 business centers by purchasing the SOS Wealth Empowerment product package one time. This is a 6-volume wealth empowerment system that covers 3 important areas of success development, including personal empowerment, credit repair, and business development. Our Wealth Empowerment course will fill your mind with revolutionary, life-changing personal development information that will forever change your mental world. It will teach you the tools and techniques required to master your intellectual life by helping to develop the healthy mind required for real, long-lasting success. Our credit repair course will teach you the techniques required to repair and develop your personal credit, a must-have for the millions of people who are going to see their credit score plummet as this devastating recession rocks the economy. And finally, our business development course will teach you how to build a successful network marketing business with techniques you never knew existed. Once you get your business center activated, you'll be at the top of a matrix that can begin cranking out $325 checks over and over as your matrix begins to cycle. Here's how the money is made. 1. Cycle commissions. Each time your 2x2 group fills with 6 people, you will be paid a cycle commission of $325. 2. 100% matching bonuses. Upon easy qualification, you'll begin earning 100% matching bonuses. When a member from your matrix cycles, you will earn a $325 matching bonus, whether you sponsored this person or not. 3. Leadership bonuses. You can also earn an additional $100 leadership bonus, which is paid to you when a personally sponsored member completes a 2x2 cycle. 4. Recycle. Every time your matrix is filled, the computer will recycle you to the next open spot in your sponsor's matrix, where this money-making process can repeat. To help build your business, we also offer the Autopilot Recruiting System, which is a guaranteed to recruit for you marketing system that can put you to work the day you join SOS. For a small fee, the company will market the business for you, follow up with prospects, and recruit people into your business. If you're in need of economic stimulus that does not depend on government bailouts, then you're going to absolutely love the SOS Wealth Empowerment Success System. We have the best pay plan that pays matching bonuses on everybody, a product that helps you build your business and your life, and a recruiting system that can help put you in the money fast.